Number 1 says solve. 3 times 100 or 300 equals 300. 6 times 1,000 or 1,000 equals 6,000. 8 times 10,000 is 80,000. And then D and E are a little different. 3 times blank equals 3,000. So if I look at my 3, it's in my 100,000ths place, so I know it's 100,000. 5 times blank equals 5 million. Since the 5 is in the millions place, I know it's 1 million. Number 2 says write each number in exponential notation. So again, I know my base is going to be 10, and then I count my zeros. Since there are 2 zeros, 10 to the second power. Again, my base is 10, 4 zeros, 10 to the fourth power. My base is 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 to the sixth power. My base is 10, 5 zeros is 10 to the fifth. And the last one again, my base is 10 with 8 zeros, so 10 to the eighth power. Number 3 says find the volume of the prism. Use the formula volume equals the area of the base times the height. So first I have to find the area of the base, which is 4 by 3, so it's 12. So then I have to multiply 12 by the height, which is 4. 12 times 4 is 48, so the volume of this prism is 48 units cubed. Number 4 says make an estimate and then solve. So for 34 times 8, I would multiply 34 times 10, which means I just add a 0, so my estimate's going to be around 340. For the second one, I would do 52 times 6. Again, I would estimate it would be 52 times 10, which is again around 520. Now to actually solve, I start with my ones. 8 times 4 is 32. Put my 2 down, carry my 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So my answer is 272. For the second one, again, I start with my 1. 6 times 2 is 12. Put my 2 down, carry my 1. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So my answer is 312. Number 5 says explain how you knew how many zeros belonged in the products in problem 1A and 1C. So the product has the same number of zeros as the second number I multiplied because it's a power of 10. So if we look at our powers of 10, we know whatever number we multiply by, it's going to have the same amount of zeros. So for example, 3 times 100, 100 has 2 zeros, therefore it's 300. Make sure you write that in your own words on problem 5 in your math journals.